and foremost, let me thank all of you who have made this wonderful effort to be present here with your presence to grace the occasion of the marriage between Shul and Tina. Thank you. Hi, I am Mayur and my co-host is Angana. Isn't she looking stunning today? Has Shailesh commented or noticed anything today, something separate?
Well, Mayur, you don't know Shailesh. He is very romantic and he is a man of few words and his actions speak louder than his words. So yes, he did comment.
I'm sure his actions should speak louder than his words should. And am I not glad to hear this? And after 20 years of marriage? Yes. And what better examples you are setting for our newly blessed couple than a romantic 20 years of marriage?
Alright, for all of the guests over here, I hope you had a privilege to meet this gentleman here. And for all those of you who have not had the privilege to meet him, this is Dr. Mayur. He is Tina's mama and he is a practicing OBGYN from Bombay, India. You all know what an OBGYN does, I guess. Delivers babies. But I guess Mayur is going to deliver something else this evening.
Well, I have to be a little accurate on that. I don't deliver babies, I deliver mothers. Delivering babies is still illegal in India. And we still allow the stock to do that. Anyway, folks, we have all had a wonderful time here up till now, and I'm sure all of you who have participated up till and seen all the events have had a wonderful time and blessing this couple in a peaceful matrimony.
Now let's take the excitement a little bit further today. And before we do just that, I would like to once again congratulate Tina and Shilen as they embark on this well-known journey of togetherness and continue to rise in love.
Yes, Angana, as history goes by, marriages are always thought to be made in heaven. But believe me or not, they are enacted every day when the same boy and a girl falls in love, day in and day night with each other, and the whole script is acted on earth. Right?
That's true. And you know what? That's what we've done for 20 years, Mayur. We've fallen in love with the same person for 20 years, and let me tell you, it only gets better as the years pass by.
Yeah. Well, anyway, back then we had the institution of arranged marriage, where, as you said, the love took a very back seat. And if love at all came, it came many years after marriage and a couple of kids, right? The boys and girls never had the chance to see each other and fall in love pre-war.
Then came the fashion of love marriages, where an unconditional love led to the marriage. And now we have arranged love marriages, where the guy and the girl decide to meet each other, and if they do fall in love, they decide to get married. Otherwise, goodbye, and the next in line.
And what better example we have, and that of Shloki and Shaku, who has enacted the script 20 years back. Give them a big round of applause.
Hold on, Mayur. There is a huge difference in the way Jyoti and Shaku got married and the way Tina's and Shilen's marriage came about. And today, we're going to present before you that difference in a form of a short skit presented by the lovely friends and relatives. Please give them all a big round of applause.
As I said, back then, in those old Orthodox ways, the guy had never a chance to see his sweetheart. He could only dream, fantasize, and dream to who will be his sweetheart. And he could only envisage something in his dream, and that dream would go like this. Yes, and I think there was a lot of change now, that not back then. But let me tell you, the train of a successful marriage runs on the track of the poor boy's determination to fulfill all the demands and the aspiration of his sweetheart. Isn't it so? And this halat is chai mein duba hua biscuit. Back then, it was all a very, very secretive affair. The boy and the girl required to plan so much ahead. You had to meet, when to meet, and how much time to be together. And even the girl required to be home at a certain time. So, Acha?
Going on, so there's no secret Mayur anymore. And as far as the places to meet, they are unlimited. And what they do when they go to these places is something I don't want to discuss here, but you'll see.
क्या बोलती तुम?
क्या मैं बोलूं?
आधी का ठंडा घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे क्या बोलती आधी का ठंडा
Yes, that was very fine. But this reminds me of a शायरी कि सिर्फ चाहने से कोई बात नहीं बनती, सूरज के सामने रात नहीं होती, हम जिसे चाहते हैं जान से भी ज्यादा, वो अगर सामने हो तो बात नहीं होती। and each were given their pride of place in the society, and the boy was thought of as the master of the house, and the wife, the Lakshmi, the Parvati, Saraswati was revered as the goddess of the house. So it goes something like this. अरे कैसे?
इस तरह से बोला जाता है अपने सोनिया के लिए। देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यार, तुमसे कोई ये चाहे ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा, नजर का फेरा मेरे
अच्छा अंगना, अभी सब बोलना सुनना कहना सब हो गया, अभी अभी बड़ों की भी कुछ इजाजत लेनी पड़ती है कि नहीं? हाँ, छोटे छोटे सेटल हिट्स छोड़ने पड़ते हैं, एंड यू नो द चाय इज नॉट ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू डुबाओ बिस्किट, बट इट इज यूज्ड टू पटाओ द बॉय बाय द prospective mother-in-law, and it goes something like this.
मयूर, क्या बात है, इतनी फास्ट पेस लाइफ में ये चाय वाय का चक्कर क्या बात है। आजकल तो पेरेंट्स के अप्रूवल की जरूरत नहीं होती, उनको खाली बताने और एक्सेप्टेंस मांगने की जरूरत होती है, कुछ इस तरह से।
All this is fine for the fast track and fast Facebook and whatnot, but क्या है ना, हर एक चीज इसी फास्ट पेस पे जाएगा? बंधन कुछ
नहीं यार, अभी तो मजे करने का वक्त है।
हाँ।
उसे तो धीरे धीरे करने में ही मजा आता है। पर क्या करें, रस्मों रिवाजों को तो निभाना पड़ेगा। कुछ थोड़ा झूठ मूठ का रोना धोना तो करना पड़ेगा ना, कुछ इस तरह से। और चाहे बैक देन हो या ना हो, शादी की रस्म तो शादी की रस्म ही है। द मैरिज टेक्स प्लेस द सेम वे irrespective of back then or now.
Well done. So finally, Jhoot Moot ka hasna, rona, and the wedding is over. And now comes the best period of the honeymooning of the couple, which starts somewhere in the streets of Paris, Switzerland, going all around the world, and probably ending at the first year of marriage.
And then suddenly the most dynamic, the most physical, and the most vocal period of a married life, the royal fights.
Yes, Ananda, how right you are. Hey, let me ask you a question. Hey, do you remember your first Royal Wedding fight and how long and what is about?
Yes, very much so. How can a marriage be happy and successful without a fight? I also had a big fight, Mayur. It was a really big fight. And what did you ask me?
What was it all about?
What was it all about? Very strange. What was it all about? I can't remember.
There you are, Tina and Celine. The road to a happy marriage is having a very bad memory.
Bad memory is something else, but I have a selective bad memory. So I do remember how I made up and how he helped me make up with him by giving me a lot of jewelry, taking me out to parties, and doing whatever I asked him to do for one whole week. And let me explain you something, Mayur, and also Tina and Shilin. Making up after the fight is a very important part of a married life. And somebody some time ago said, कहता है प्यार नशा बन जाता है, कोई कहता है प्यार सजा बन जाता है। पर अगर सच्चे दिल से किसी की चाहो तो वो प्यार जीने की वजह बन जाता है।
This is for you both. You know, love is not always looking at each other and romancing. It is also looking in the same direction. And the atmosphere in your house is not going to be maintained by all the heaters and by the ACs, but it is going to be maintained by the cool head and the warm hearts. And there it is.
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा। जब कोई बात कर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, मेरा साथ मेरा वो हमनवा।
Why is it that the Indian women always desires the same husbands for seven lives?
You know what? Back then and now, Indian women requested God to give him the same husband for the next 7 lives. And Mayur, do you know why?
Yeah, please.
Why? Because it takes one whole janam to train a guy, and the benefits come in the next 6 years.
So Shilin, now the wedding is over. You are the boss of the house, the head of the house, and the head of the family. And Tina, you be the neck of the family, meekly sitting under the weight of the big head.
Mayur, Shilin, remember what he said, but also remember, wherever the neck goes, the head turns. And also, I wanted to tell you one more thing, Tina and Shilin, that age does not protect you from love, but love to some extent protects you from aging. Also, love is like wine. If you preserve it at the right temperature, it only gets better as it ages. The love will prevail and last you a lifetime, like your own eternally romantic mom and dad, Jyoti and Shampu. So here it is.
Mm-hmm.